tell him don't go past the 60 foot, man. Dang, I forgot to tell him. Oh, he finna run him again. What's up with it? 63er? What, you must be 63 years old. God, what you going on here? Or was you born in 63? Either way, you old. If either one. If you born in 63, I mean, you about what, 59, 58? Yeah, he cut a good light. Old boy was confused. See, they be thinking old boy don't know what he doing. And he just probably cut the best tree I done seen. He on that tree. Yeah, oh, I ain't gonna get to tell him. What's this old truck right here gonna do? Nothing. He finna spin. How they gonna get hot with that little bit of burnout?
It's all-wheel drive, bro.
No, it ain't. That's a wash machine. I got this side though.
Me too. Definitely all-wheel drive.
Why they saying it's all-wheel drive? Hey man, I like talking to old people, man. Tell me something that was going on around 79, 80. Nah, I want to know something that was going on before I was born, before 88, that you can't do no more. Tell me something. Talk to me quick, not sleep. Wash them good, baby. Get them set. Ooh. A la chingada. Okay, scoot up a little bit. Yeah. That thing, not trying to grab, ain't it? That thing trying to grab, ain't it, man? Got this Kenmore in the right lane. Got the dry cleaners in the left lane. Uh-oh, my bad. Twisted Vet, man. Why you say you named yourself Twisted Vet? You was a veteran. I mean, yeah. I didn't give you somebody else's name. My bad. I'll be back, man. Man, he done double bubbed, though, dude. I wanna. Oh, don't red light. Oh, he coming, y'all. Oh, it look like he. Oh, right lane, man. That old truck stayed out there, man. You seen that? That was a good race, man. That was too good, man. Washed him up with the suds and everything, man. Flying Low Soul is long, vid. Yeah, man, I came over here and called you the Twisted Vet, man. I couldn't even think, man. I was thinking about Twisted Soul.
I am kind of twisted.
Stone Vet. Was the vet because you a veteran?
Yeah, veteran, Army veteran.
Okay, Army veteran.
Yeah.
Did you used to have to work out?
Used to.
Okay, what?
Yeah,
You
dude.
was working out?
I used to be pretty strong. I used to not be allowed to show. Lost some friends, lost my sister, and my head got really fucked up for a little bit, and I gained a lot of weight. I gained up to I was 430 pounds.
You were 400?
Yeah, and 30.
God, now you were bigger than him?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, for
shit.
Sure. And that's when
You
I
was
found
walking?
Weed. That's when I found weed. Cause I was ready to.
Oh, you didn't know where the weed was?
Bro, I was not in a good spot. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, bro. I didn't know anything about weed. That's when I tried. I was 26.
Damn.
Yeah. So.
You was 26?
That shook everything.
Tell me how the weight went. You were 18 at what weight?
18.
Yeah, or the 19.
No, I was still a big dude, but I was always like a lineman. Like I was athletic,
Yeah.
but a big guy.
250?
No, yeah, not even 250. Probably
Well,
like 230.
What?
At my leanest, I was like 215. And I was pretty fucking strong.
You went from 215 to 400?
And 30 pounds. Yeah. Like within the last year of my enlistment, too.
Golly, I bet you had to buy a lot of new clothes.
Yeah, bro, every week, dude.
God damn.
That's so true. That's funny you thought of that. That's true, man.
Well,
Yeah. I'm working on
life was hard for you. Had to keep buying new clothes and
I got down
shit.
to I got down to like 220, and then I had my kid, and stressful shit happened, and I quit trying after that. Really, I got lazy. So I've been trying lately.
You went to
With that
400.
stream backpack, I'm gonna do a fucking bicycle stream.
A bicycle
I'm gonna get on
stream?
there and fucking bike around some trails and shit. Try to go mobile with that and see about that.
They said, how your clutch doing, man? What
It's
about
good.
you?
It was just a driver error the first time.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Which is what I thought it could be, but it's it's an older car. It's like 80,000 miles on it.
Oh,
But I
okay.
actually did almost a personal best.